Are you looking for a tool to effortlessly extend your videos? Filmora 15 offers an AI extend feature that allows you to prolong any video seamlessly, ensuring the generated footage perfectly matches the original without any color correction. This feature is ideal for extending your travel vlogs or cinematic shots. Before we dive in, please visit my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming Filmora 15 tutorials. Let's explore how to use the AI extend feature in Filmora 15. Launch Filmora 15. Click on Import to select the footage you want to extend using the AI extend feature, then import it and place it on the timeline. Next, from the timeline toolbar, select the AI extend option and drag the end part of your clip to extend it. You can extend your clip by up to 8 seconds. Once you extend the clip, an AI extend settings screen will open. You can find this in the Stock Media tab under the AI Media folder. To extend the clip, write a prompt describing the scene you want for the continuation, such as "Continue the scene and make the model smile." From the settings, you can also adjust the resolution between 720p and 1080p and set the duration between 5 seconds and 8 seconds. When you're ready, click on Generate and wait for the AI magic to happen. Within a few minutes, you will receive your extended clip. Let's take a look at the preview. You can also extend the clip from the beginning. Simply drag the start of the clip to extend it, enter your prompt, and describe the scene. You can utilize the Camera Movement tab. By clicking on it, you'll find various options to enhance your shot. Choose the one that fits the scene best, then click Generate to obtain the extended beginning of the clip. And here is the extended start preview. There's no stress and no color grading required. Download Filmora 15 using the link in the description to extend any clip with the AI extend feature. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more Filmora 15 tutorials. See you in the next video, where we'll explore another feature of Filmora 15.